Hello sir. Open your code, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Paste your code in the first section here. Now click on make slots. When you click here, some fields appear like that. Title, image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and description. So we need to copy one by one all of them. So first of all, title. Simply copy your product title, copy and paste. Now for image, click to enlarge, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address, copy and paste. Second image, copy image address and paste. Copy. Now when all images are done, then simply copy your description text. Simply your copy all description, copy. Now open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. Paste your text here. You can write text also here. Then simply click on make HTML. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. But first click on clean to make sure the all text will be in the same format and look more better. Simply clean. Then now copy the code. Now paste your code here. Now when everything is done, like title, images and description, simply click on make code. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. So if you want to test it how it's look like that, simply click on preview. Simply, here is your code ready. Here is the images and here is the description, and this detail you can change when you paste in eBay. Otherwise you can save this code and edit in any editor and you can change. Now about this checkbox, if you have 2 images, 3 images or 4 images, then uncheck the empty box. Like I have 4 images, so I will delete the image here. We have 4 images right now, so I will uncheck this box. It's mean this box will be hide in a template. So when I uncheck, now click on again make code and click on preview. As you can see, now I have 4 box, but if you check and the box will be empty. So again, if make code and preview, as you can see, this box will be show and empty, so it's not good. So if you have 4 images, 3 images, uncheck the box and then make a code. I hope you understand. Now how you update anyway, so simply select all your code, copy and open your any product and edit. Scroll down. Now click on show all option. Click here and click on the see more option. Click here. Now this box will be shown on your side. So simply check the box and delete the all old code. So I will delete and paste the new code. Simply. So uncheck the box again. Here is a code. I hope you understand. And here you can change the text also. Like I will write here anything. You can change the text and here also. And now click on revise it. Thanks. I hope you understand.